In this video, I am going to do the technical analysis of S&P 500 index for the week commencing from 6th of July 2021. This is the weekly chart and these are the weekly candles. These last two candles, they are heavy bullish candles. So these candles, they indicate that there is a bull trend in the market. However, again, the thing is that the market is means on like day by day, the market is getting more unstable. So this thing is not good for the market. So for now, you can follow the market. Looks like that the market is moving up through these candles. So we will cover the other factors through technical indicators. So for now, if you follow the market, then make sure that you look for the resistances and the support. The immediate support, the immediate resistance in case of SPX S&P 500 index, it lies at 4,370. This is the immediate resistance here, 4370. But the heavy resistance, it is at 4,500. This is the very heavy resistance for the market for the S&P 500 index. 4,500 is the very heavy resistance. So you can expect that the market may move up from here 4,352 to 4,500, means another like 150 points. So market may move up by 150 points. So this is the very heavy resistance. This is the immediate resistance, and the support lies at 4,200. There is a good support at 4,200. Now let's talk about the technical indicators. If we talk about the technical indicators, then first we have the moving averages, and there is no change in the moving averages. There is a very clear fan out in the moving averages, and it is supporting the bull trend. There is no question about that. And if we talk about the Ichimoku, then market is not expected to hit the Ichimoku in this month, in the month of July. Or it may try to miss if it comes into the consolidation in the month of August, then only it meets the Ichimoku. Otherwise, there are no chances that the index is going to hit the Ichimoku anytime soon. And if we talk about some other indicators, then we have the stock RSI. So stock RSI, it was bearish, but it was holding above 50. It was holding above 50, and it is currently holding above 50 again, and it is going to change the direction. So this change of direction will be seen in the next week. So it is still bullish. It is not bearish. It is still bullish. And if we talk about the MACD, MACD is marginally bullish. MACD is marginally bullish. So I'm expecting that in this week, if there will be a bull movement means it's not like that there will be or there may be a heavy candle, but it may be like that there may be a very small bull candle. Okay, that will suffice. But if that happens, then all of these indicators will be clearly seen supporting the bull trend. And if we talk about the momentum, then yes, then the momentum is building up, but it is not enough. So it will take at least 2 weeks to build up. So on this the weekly chart, on the weekly chart, everything is favoring the bulls, and it's a bull trend on the weekly chart. But again, you need to be a little careful here. First you need to see like what happens here at 4370 at this resistance, and then finally here market is expected to take a turn. So you need to be very careful here at 4500. Now let's move on to the daily chart. Now we are here on the daily chart. On the daily chart, if you see that there is a very heavy bull movement, very heavy bull movement. One after other, there are these the bull candles. Not even a single bearish candle in last seven candles. There is no bearish candle. All are bull candles. So which clearly means that the market is heavy bullish here. Through this candle, the market is very heavy bullish here. And if we talk about the technical indicators, so we have the moving averages. And moving averages, if you see that there is still a very clear fan out. The market through these the moving averages, the market is bullish. All of these moving averages are bullish, and for last 10 sessions, I get 9 or 10 sessions, the market is moving above the moving averages. It is hovering above the moving averages. And the Chimoku, so market is not expected to hit the Chimoku in this week, at least in this week. But the next week, the market may try to hit the Chimoku only if it comes down, and if it touches or if it respects the support, which is at around 4,200. And if we talk about the other technical indicators, then we have the stock RSI. Stock RSI is 100% bullish. 100% bullish. Mac and this MACD is again, MACD is heavily bullish. Momentum, there is very heavy momentum in the bull direction. Momentum is supporting the stock RSI and the MACD. So in this case, it can be clearly seen on this chart, on the daily chart, that the market is heavily bullish. On the daily chart, through technical indicators, the market is heavily bullish. Now there is a catch, and this catch is like what may happen is market on Tuesday, market Tuesday or on Wednesday, the market may try to move up, and then it will find this resistance. Then after hitting the resistance, then the market may come down. Okay, here up to this level, the market may come down, or and also we can see that the moving average will also reach here. So the market may come down a bit, or and may try to touch the moving average, and if not, then it will hit the confluence zone, and then it may take a rebound, and then it may further move up. And the reason is why it may happen this way. The reason is because there was this very heavy movement in the market without any news, without anything that is supporting the market other than the jobs. There are close to 1 million jobs, means the more than expected. That was the number. Other than that, there was no other credible news in the market that could have supported this bull trend. So the market is moving in the straight line here. So this is not how the market works. So market must take a break, and after that it may try to move up. So this is how it is expected to run this week. So anyways, through all of the technical indicators on the weekly chart and on the daily chart, it is expected that there will be a bull movement in the market. But you need to remain cautious, okay, because the market is getting more and more unstable day by day. Okay, guys. Should you wish to participate in my stock market programs, then I have given the links of these programs in the description of this video. So this was the technical analysis for S&P 500 index for the week commencing from 6th of July 2021.